Let's resolve the mystery. Should we use gerund or infinitive after the verb? Let's discuss. It's quite easy. In English, verbs can be followed by another action. There is a possibility. This action can be expressed into two ways, either by using gerund or an infinitive. In few cases, both are allowed. Let's see. Either gerund versus verb or infinitive. So keep it, remember, there is a possibility of gerund or infinitive or both. In few cases, both means with few verbs, we are bound to use gerund, and with few verbs, we are bound to use infinitive. But in few cases, you may use gerund or infinitive sometimes. It may change or slightly change in meaning, but you can use. Let's check. Verbs followed by a to infinitive. Infinitive means to plus verb first form. Other verbs are followed by to infinitive. Let's see what are those. These often express intention, decision, desire, goal, or when we look forward. Such examples of the verbs, these include ask, choose, expect, plan, promise, refuse, and want. So these are a few words those we need to keep in our mind. And a very important thing when we use infinitive basically expresses either intention, decision, goal, desire, and when we look forward. These are the verbs. Those basically contain infinitive after them. Those are ask, choose, expect, plan, promise, refuse, and want. Means after subject you have to use verb, then gerund, and then object. Examples: we plan to visit Paris next year. So here you can see this is basically planning, intention. Then next, he wants he wants to learn Spanish. Again, if we see, this is basically desire. So here we can easily memorize that when we talk about verbs, those contain infinitive, those express intention, decision, goal, desire, or to look forward. And the verbs list is here in front of you. Then next, the verbs, those are followed by a gerund. Some verbs are always followed by a gerund. These verbs often express liking, disliking, look backward, general action, or a similar feeling towards the action. So we need to keep these all pointers in our mind so then it will be easy for us to understand either we are supposed to use gerund or infinitive. Common verbs in this category include admit, avoid, consider, delay, deny, discuss, dislike, enjoy, and suggest. Again, grammar rule: subject plus verb plus gerund plus object. Examples: I enjoy reading. I enjoy reading, liking. She considers traveling alone. So here, basically, if we have the word admit, avoid, consider, delay, deny, discuss, dislike, enjoy, and suggest, you have to use gerund after these verbs. Then here you can see a list of those where you can use gerund or infinitive with after these verbs. And then there is a discussion about the one where you can use after either the gerund or infinitive. So like, love, hate, try, continue. Such are the verbs those may contain either infinitive or gerund. Otherwise, remaining all are bound to take either gerund or to infinitive. Hopefully, it will be easy for you to understand